It's time for another In the Kitchen with Fred. I haven't done a video in my kitchen in a while, but I'm working on my fitness, so I thought I would do a new smoothie video. I did a smoothie video probably a year or two ago, and I got a bunch of pushback from nutritionist type folks, people who thought they were healthy, because they didn't like that I used blue Gatorade in my smoothie. Like if you've ever made a smoothie and you put a bunch of stuff in it like oranges or banana or spinach, if you put any of this stuff in the smoothie, you need some sort of fluid to kind of keep the viscosity down so that you can actually mix it and drink it. Otherwise you just have this kind of fruit salad mess. What do you guys do with orange peels? I guess I'll put those in the compost. So I've been working on a new recipe that does not include blue Gatorade. It does include blueberries because I like blueberries and they're supposed to be good for you. So take that, nutritionists. I also like yogurt. And if you kind of tamp it down, you can get more stuff in there. I usually put about a half of an apple in my smoothie. Cut that up into a couple pieces. You don't need the whole thing. And this is my new secret ingredient. This is mint. I've been growing mint outside. So I try to put that in all of my smoothies, so that, because mint, I don't know, probably does something good for you. And then that's just about it. I mean, you have your smoothie, and all you need to do is add some sort of fluid that will help it get mixed up. I use this cactus juice. Cactuses, if you don't know anything about cactus, like if you're from the East Coast or the Midwest, cactus are very sharp, so they help your brain, help keep you sharp, and they're tough because they can live out in the desert. So get some cactus juice, put that in there, and then put the thing on and put it all on the mixer thingus, and you're ready to go. That's been another In the Kitchen with Fred. Thanks for tuning in.